and today in this video I'm going to talk you through prime numbers. So prime numbers, they're just numbers that only have two factors, which means you can only divide them by 1 and themselves. The first prime number that you need to remember is the number 2. Number 1 is not prime because it only has one factor, 1 and 1, okay? 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 is not a prime number. 2 is your first prime number. The next prime number is the number 3 because again it only has two factors, 1 and itself. We can only divide it by 1 and 3. The number 4, it's not prime because it has more than two factors. Yes, we can do 1 times 4 to get 4, but we can also do 2 times 2. So because it has more than two factors, we know it's not prime. So just a little trick to help you spot the prime numbers a bit more quickly. You can eliminate all the even numbers apart from the number 2 as being prime, because all the even numbers you can divide by 2. So we know 6 is divisible by 2, so is 8, 10, 12. So you can automatically eliminate all the even numbers, okay? They cannot be prime numbers apart from our exception here, the first one, which is number 2. Another one that you can eliminate are all multiples of 5. So all the numbers in the 5 times table. So any number that ends in 0 or 5. Because you know you can divide this number by 5, okay? So it has lots of factors. It has 1, 15, 3 and 5. So it's definitely not a prime number, okay? So all the numbers ending in 0 and 5 you can eliminate as well. Then it's really just a matter of knowing your times tables well. So if you recognise a number from a times table, for example, this number 9, I know it's in the 3 times table. So I can divide this number by 3. It has more than two factors. You can do 1 times 9, but you can also do 3 times 3. So this one is not prime. Okay, so this one is a prime number. It only has two factors. And same as 7 and 13. 11 is also prime, okay? All of these numbers you can only divide by 1 and themselves. So 17 is also prime. This one you have to be careful. This one is actually divisible by 3. So you might not know your 3 times table up to this number, so you won't necessarily recognise it from a 3 times table, but I would just try a few numbers, see if it's divisible by 3, 4, 6, 7, just test a few, and if you find that it's not exactly divisible by those numbers, then you can probably deduce that it's a prime number. But this one is divisible by 3, so it's not prime. And our last one over here, well, it's not divisible by 2 because it's an odd number. It's not divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's extremely likely that this number is a prime number. Okay, so there are a few tips just to help you pick out those prime numbers a bit more quickly. Remember, 1 is not prime, 2 is the first prime number. Okay, so I hope you'll remember that, and next time you see prime numbers, you'll know what they are.